One of the many benefits of K&N air filters is that they are washable and reusable. We suggest you inspect your filter annually, or more often if you drive in dusty or dirty environments. When dirt collects to a point that exceeds the wire mesh, it's time to clean and recharge your filter. To get started, carefully remove the air filter from the stock air box or from the end of the intake system tube. Liberally spray both sides of the filter with K&N Power Clean Air Filter Cleaner. Depending on your needs, K&N offers Power Clean in a variety of sizes, including a 32-ounce bottle, 1-gallon bottle, or as part of the K&N Recharger Service Kit. Allow the filter to set for 10 minutes, but do not let the cleaner dry on the filter. Using a cool, low-pressure water source, rinse the filter from the clean side out, making sure to rinse out all dirt and contaminants. Continue to rinse the filter until the water runs clean. It may be necessary to repeat the process. Do not use pressure washers or garden hose nozzles to rinse the filter. Gently shake the filter to remove excess water and set aside to dry naturally. Do not use compressed air or heating elements to speed the drying process. Once the filter is completely dry, it is ready for re-oiling. K&N air filter oil is available as either a squeeze bottle or an aerosol spray. Both contain the same exclusive formula that came with your K&N air filter from the factory. The oil can be purchased individually in multiple sizes or as part of the K&N Recharger Service Kit. If using the squeeze bottle, apply a thin bead of oil to each pleat of the filter. If using the aerosol spray, hold the can 2 to 3 inches from the filter and spray along each pleat. Allow the oil to absorb for approximately 20 minutes and touch up any light areas until the filter is a consistent salmon red color. Reinstall the air filter back into your vehicle. Proper maintenance of your K&N air filter will ensure that you continue to get superior airflow and superior performance.